In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CostMiner for cost forecasting. By the end, you'll know how to set a solid baseline, organize your costs for clarity, and turn on the forecast view so your projections are meaningful and reliable. We start with a baseline estimate because forecasting in CostMiner always builds from an approved reference point. Open your project in CostMiner and make sure your BOQ, or bill of quantities, is complete. That means every line item you plan to measure or price is included. Populate your cost estimate so the numbers reflect the latest scope and pricing. Take a moment to review your totals by materials, labor, and equipment. This quick sanity check helps you catch missing items or unusual rates before you lock anything in. When you're confident the estimate is accurate, lock it or mark it as the baseline. Think of this as freezing your snapshot in time. It's the benchmark against which the forecast will track performance and changes. If you ever need to adjust later, do so only after approval so you maintain a clean audit trail. Next, organize your costs so the forecast tells a clear story. Head to project structure, then phases. Group your BOQ items by project phase, such as foundation, structural, and finishing, or by your cost codes, depending on how your team reports. The goal is to mirror how the work will unfold in the real world. Consistent structure makes it easier to roll up values, compare like for like, and spot trends. Once you're satisfied with the grouping, save your changes. This organization step is essential. It's what allows the forecast to distribute costs in a way that aligns with your schedule and controls. Finally, enable the forecast view. Open cost control, then tracking. Switch on the forecast or projection view. Choose how you want to see time, monthly for a calendar-driven outlook, or phase-based if your project is managed around milestones. CostMiner automatically uses your baseline estimate as the starting curve, so you'll immediately see how costs are expected to flow over time or across phases. If the timing doesn't reflect your plan, revisit your phases or cost codes to refine the structure. Clean inputs produce clear forecasts. As you progress, this view becomes your live window into performance against the baseline. That's it. Establish a trustworthy baseline, structure your costs thoughtfully, and turn on the forecast view to visualize how your budget will land. Follow this routine and your CostMiner forecasts will stay consistent, transparent, and actionable.